TestWord Teachers Tea Room. Here, you will learn useful tips on how to teach with TestWord textbook to achieve the learning objectives in the curriculum. Join us for today's session on JSS2 Standard English Textbook Review.
So in this book, JSS2, we have the first subtopic there. We have integers. Integers are whole numbers, either in the negative part or the positive part. And there we have absolute of this integer. Yesterday I was talking about absolute numbers. To some text, the absolute number as a subtopic will be introduced in SS1. But for super mathematics, we have absolute number. That is, teaching building a strong foundation from the beginning. And there we have ordering of integers. I saw some things that actually impressed me and attract. I saw if direction is taking the east direction is what positive, while the west direction is what negative. Telling some students, just like when you have your graph, the east part of the graph is positive, the west part of the graph is what? Negative. Telling them that this part, mentioning the word east, will stick to the brain. Also, in graph we have going high, that is up, is positive, going down is what? Negative. Also, when teaching business mathematics, we talk about income. When you have profit, that means you are adding. It's positive. And when you lose, it's what? Negative. We have a lot of description there. When you invest, the outcome of the investment is positive. When you spend, is what? You are spending out, though it's going to return. Or when you are spending, it's like you are losing. Or when after sometimes you regain those things. And also we have addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers, and division of integers. And there I saw properties of each. Sincerely, I've not, when you move close to my table, you see a lot of textbooks, mathematics textbooks. And this guy that I won't be satisfied with one. I want to look at it. What's for? I'm not saying this. When you are teaching operation, binary operation in SS format, you have commutative properties and associative properties. But looking at addition in JSS2, the foundation has been laid. In JSS2, we have addition is commutative. Why? What is the meaning of commutative? Meaning that if you have x plus y, it's the same thing as y plus x. Let's take number as example. 7 plus 11, we have 18. If you think of switchings, you have 11 plus 7. You still have the same number. 18. Addition is commutative. Switching, the number will not change the answer. Also, talking about associating, if you have x plus, you put the bracket, you have y plus z in the bracket. It can, when you switch them, you will still have the same result. It means addition is also commutative. And we saw the distributive properties under addition. These are things that some students start saying from class, SS1 class, SS2 class. But this foundation has been laid by Super Mathematics JSS2, produced by TestWord publisher. These are the advantages of this text. We have learning addition, subtraction using number line here. Also, we have subtraction is not associative. It was stated here. It's not commutative. Let me start with that. X minus y is not equal to y minus x. Let's say, for example, 7 minus 11. You have negative result. Why? Because the first number is smaller than the second number. Now, let's say 7 minus 11, you have negative 4. Let's switch the number. We have 11 minus 7. You have positive. Though we have positive 4 and the second one, they are both 4, but that sign has changed the fact. I saw some other properties under addition says that 7 greater than 2. 7 greater than 2. If you add 5 to both sides, the result will not change. It will still be greater. 7 greater than 2. Let's add 5. 7 plus 2, we have what? 4. 2 plus 5, we have 7. It means the result, when adding same number, you still have the same thing. This is one of the properties that you need to learn in some topics in the higher class in secondary. In subtraction in multiplication, we discover that multiplication and addition are both commutative and associative. Also, multiplication is distributive, but division is different. Division and subtraction is different. And this thing is detailed. If you are teaching topics like binary operation, I said the other time, you need to teach this. You want to test the associative of that by your binary, you want to test the commutative of it, you want to test the distributive of it, and also the enclosure of it. Take for example, we're told that when you are adding integer, say 5 plus 7, you will still have another integer. That means they obey the law, the rules of what? Closure. These are the benefits you are learning from TSS class. And then I move. So the next topic we have numbers, whole numbers and decimal numbers. This book is trying to tell you the difference between the two. We have types of number. We have whole numbers, that is whole decimal. Why the second one is decimal number, that is maybe a certain fraction has happened, and you discover that the number, the denominator is not a perfect number factor of the second one. How to add both whole number and also decimal number. And we have quantitative questions that can help your thinking, your imagination in this case. Then we have square and square root. Some students will ask them in lesson 1, what is the square root? They will give you square. What is the square? They will give you square root. But this is a foundation laid, a proper foundation laid. We have fractions. We discussed that yesterday. Fractions and some other things like that. Business, this is commercial mathematics, that is, even if you are in GSS 2, you can learn how to trade, you can know, you can calculate your profit, you can calculate your loss if any, so you will encounter that. Take for example, we were told that this text talks that your cost price must not be bigger than your selling price. If you have the cost price bigger, it is wrong. So these are the lessons we learn through this. We have household arithmetic like member bills. How to calculate member bills. You have, okay, this is a unit, and by unit we have this. Yes, we have, per unit you have this, you can calculate your NEPA bills. Also, you can calculate the VAT and the tax. We have salary earners pay tax. Once the percentage of the tax is given to the student can pick up his pen and calculate the tax rate and remove from the salary. Also, we have several questions that we have our a certain topic called variation in the senior class. We have direct variation and some other things. Here we can see some topics there that can actually lay the foundation when you get there. You will not be stranded. You will be going through it easily without having, because of the knowledge, the information this textbook, TSS1 has given. Also, I saw some topics that are very, very, very important related. According to the description and the front written, front page we have a blend of national UP and NERBC and international curriculum. I saw some topics that in our textbooks, mathematics textbooks, you will see. Let me just open. We have a topic called symmetry. Symmetry in your textbook mathematics textbook. They will only ask you, they will tell you what, okay, a shape. Tell us how many lines of symmetry has the shape. But this is a topic on its own in checkpoint mathematics. Symmetry, looking at a rectangle, how many lines of symmetry? Okay, you can draw and middle, that is, let's say this is rectangle, this is one, that is, drawing it, this will overlap and make the two faces equal. You can fold it this way, number two, and on and on. It also treated rotational symmetry as a topic in checkpoint IGCSE. Take for example, you have this. How do you rotate this? And it will also show that it's as if you are not doing anything. Let's turn it this way. You see, this is the first one, the first rotation. This is not as this. When you turn it, the first one, this one will not work. This one will return into the initial situation. It means we have two rotational symmetry forward in the rectangle. Let's use circle as an example. Circle, you turn it infinitely. Turn circle what? Infinitely. And also the line of symmetry of a circle is uncountable. Your line of symmetry determines the rotational symmetry of any shape. Take, for example, you have a regular polygon. The size of the regular polygon determines the line of symmetry, also determines the rotational symmetry. This is a topic that we will not see in other mathematics textbooks. This is actually a blend of Nigerian curriculum and international curriculum. In fact, I want to give kudos to the publisher. They've done so well. And we have practical questions that you can see. Because if you are teaching this topic, you must be practical. It must involve the student. You must be joining it together. They must see it. And these are things that we've seen from this topic. We have a lot of benefits in this topic. We have another topic that I saw, trigonometry, and I also saw ratio, trigonometry ratio, where you do so right from your GSS2 SOHCAHTUA, that is, so means sine is opposite to hypotenuse, and CA means adjacent to hypotenuse, and TAN means adjacent over opposite over adjacent. You can see the description is very clear here. Sincerely, this one will build the knowledge of trigonometry in SS1, SS2, and in SS3. For a student that you are taught this in SS1, will not be stranded in SS2. In GSS2, will not be stranded in SS1 and SS2. I've seen a lot of benefit, and the SOHCAHTUA is stipulated very clear here. We have the SOHCAHTUA given and the SO broken into the normal something. And I saw elevation and depression. I discovered recently, I just have to call my SS students and I said, please, let's look at those topics that you think we need to review. And one of the students said, sir, I want you to review elevation and depression. So, wow, this is GSS2 talk. In GSS2 we teach, when you look at something above your head, that is elevation. When you look at something below your head, there's a line of normal, a normal sight. Looking at something above the line of normal is what? Elevation. Below the line of normal is what? Depression. And there we also we talk some things that the relationship between elevation and depression. The angle of elevation is the same as angle of depression. Why? Because of the properties of lines and transversal, parallel lines and transversal. And this, if you look at towards the end of this, we have lines and parallel lines and transversal. And what is transversal? The line that crosses the two parallel lines or more parallel lines. And there are so many properties stipulated here.
Towards the end, we have probability and statistics, everyday statistics. Then I want to talk about the uniqueness of text word super mathematics. 1, concise and details. We have some textbooks that are voluminous and very big, and when you look at it, they are ambiguous somehow. We have they are relevant to Nigerian curriculum, filled with relevant questions. The textbook are explicit, and we have command words, mathematical command words like simplify, solve, evaluate, express, write, calculate, construct, arrange, how much, find, identify, convert, show that, and draw. These are the command words that are needed. You don't need explanation. And lastly, I saw drawing, isometric drawing. Those are the topics that are related to IGCSE checkpoint. And at this point, I won't change my word. I said it yesterday and I will repeat it again. Test word textbook, Super Mathematics, is good for you.
If you have enjoyed the session, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at Teachers Tea Room. Thanks for watching.